In this video, we're going to talk about what the difference is between a wanted and a warrant. To understand that, first you need to understand that there's arresting charges and formal charges. So arresting charges is when the police officer might pick you up, bring you into the station, and submit arresting charges. Before that person can then be formally charged, the probable cause statement has to be submitted to the prosecuting attorney, and then upon review by a prosecuting attorney in the warrant office, they will then issue charges or not. And then if they don't, it's called a case has been refused. So when you have those in a wanted versus a warrant, if police haven't had the opportunity to question you or any specific suspect at that time, they can put out a wanted. That means that if that person is found or stopped or whatever it might be, they can be brought in for questioning and held for up to 24 hours without charges. At the end of that 24 hours, they either need to release that person or have applied and received formal charges from the prosecuting attorney. If there is some discussion about whether the wanteds can be constitutional or not, St. Louis County and St. Louis City continue to use them. Other counties simply will just apply for a warrant or submit the case without a statement from the defendant. Whether or not you should hire an attorney if you have a wanted, well, one, it's difficult to know if you have a wanted without access to any police officer or having the ability to speak with them to know that there is a warrant out there or a wanted out there. But certainly, it's the opportunity of having an attorney present when you come in for questioning, whether or not you should plead the Fifth Amendment, remain silent, and go from there. But in regards to bonding out, you're not able to bond out on a 24-hour hold. You're simply subject to it, and whenever the jail will release you, if at all, within that 24 hours. But always have an attorney present, and be sure to contact an attorney so that you know whether or not you have a wanted or a warrant, so that that attorney can give you that information and be there with you at the time of questioning, and if necessary, work on getting you a reasonable bond should charges be filed. That's it for this episode, and we appreciate you listening.